Hey guys, today we're gonna make 3 kinds of slime. We're gonna compare them and see which one's the best. You guys up for that?
Yes!
Let's go! And just before we get started, because I don't see any ingredients, I think what you guys should do is like this video and then subscribe to our channel. Let's get into it. What do you think is gonna be the best of the 3?
Sprinkle.
Sprinkles? We're making a sprinkle slime? What's a sprinkle slime?
The sparkle one?
Oh, the sparkle slime.
Yeah.
I heard this stuff is pretty messy.
Yeah, it's pretty messy.
So
I'm really excited for the clown slime.
yeah,
Cloud slime. Because I have my own and it's very good.
the fluffy cloud slime. That's what this is for.
I like this
So-
one.
What's this one for?
Activator.
That's not
No.
the activator.
Activator!
That's the activator.
I'm
Emmett found the activator.
failed.
Oh no. So
And then we have 2 types of glue. Why are there
we have 3 types of glue. We have glitter glue. We have clear glue. And we have your normal white glue.
Well, this is the most.
Well, this is the slime.
Yeah,
This is better.
it's better.
This one's the slime one.
Here comes our director with the 3 different kinds of slime. Looks like we're gonna make some glitter glue slime, some typical slime, and some fluffy slime. We're gonna pop the ingredient list up for you guys.
Okay.
Where?
Up there.
Up there, up here? What is this, in the cloud? Okay.
So, which one are we doing first? I think we should do Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo.
Miny Mo, catch a tiger by the toe. Okay, so do it.
Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo, catch a tiger by a toe. If you don't go, Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. My mom said to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I've never heard that.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Glitter glue.
Glitter glue. Okay. So we're gonna start with the messiest right off the hop. So this one seems like there's 3 ingredients.
Okay,
3/4 cup glue, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1.5 tablespoons of the activator, which today we're going to be using contact solution. This is BioTrue. Okay, we're going to fill this up. Ready?
To the top.
Up to the top. Never will stop.
Never won't stop.
Whoa!
Oh, that's poop! Oh!
that looks like poo.
Oh, it's like the poop that
Why did
I
you guys
had.
go right to poo?
Oh, remember the poo that I had right after drinking the Cookie Monster shake?
Listen, man. I don't think our fans want to hear that.
The poop is coming here, boy. That hurt.
Oh, damn it.
So I'm going to put the cap back on.
Put the cap on!
Put the cap back on like it's just
Is it cap or is it not?
Is this fact or cap? Are you capping?
I'm stabbed.
Oh, that
Oh.
just made a fart sound.
Oh, I love that noise. Guys,
I still haven't got enough. I think 250. I think this was perfect.
I don't. Honestly, that's my favorite noise, to be honest, guys. I love the poop noise. The farting noise.
Okay. We're going to say that's 3/4 cup.
He's lying.
I'm not lying. And bango. What's difficult about this? You don't want to really get your hand in there. Because then you got glue everywhere. So what do?
Wash your hands! With the spoon.
Oh,
The
spoon!
Yeah. I mean, skip it.
You get a spoon. Okay, Aubrey's going to scoop this out for us while I look at what to do next.
It's not coming off the spoon.
We need baking soda.
Baking soda.
more specifically, we need half a teaspoon.
Can I do it? This time?
This time, sprinkle over, not where she is. Oh, yeah, right on the glue. Bang! Nailed it.
It's not coming off.
It's not coming off?
It's not coming off.
Sorry, guys.
So,
I mean,
guys, I think you should always have a parent when you do this stuff, right?
yes.
So I don't know where the parent is, but
Should we start?
we should get that washed up.
Should we miss?
Yep, you need to. So you need to mix the baking soda into the glue, and then
This isn't working well.
Maybe because there's not that much.
it's not that much. That's why you need to stir it really well.
It's kind of fast, guys. It's kind of fast. Make sure you get off the bowl.
Okay, and
Keep on mixing.
keep on mixing.
Hear the noise.
1 tablespoon.
This is gonna start turning into like a slush burger.
No, I'm gonna start playing with that one with all the boys. Anyone?
No.
Yes. I feel like I would play with right now, guys.
Okay, we should be good. We should be good. We have all the ingredients in there.
I like good.
We do the good stir here.
We need this. That looks like slime to you guys.
Does it? Is that slime?
There's-
Shouldn't it be a bit more,
We don't need that.
shouldn't it stick together? It should stick together. We're gonna say
I don't think that was glitter glue.
it's glue.
and
So
glitter.
we're just gonna add a little bit at a time.
Yo, you think this is it?
No, I think you're wrong. I think it's the 2 activators you need to put more of it.
To do activators.
It's just pooping. It looks like
If it's not thick enough, you need to put more contacts.
2 hours later.
I
Make it look like flour.
Well, hold on, man. Maybe this isn't real glue.
Maybe I need to add some glue.
This help me! Help me! I missed. This look like blue goo soup.
Oh my goodness.
Help me!
Help me! We need to have some douche.
I'm gonna put some of this.
You're
Yeah.
on timeout. I can't believe you made it like. No, stop, guys.
We're trying to.
No, you're fired. Grab everything. I'm taking this
Okay,
away.
guys, I'm gonna level with you here. Like, can we just have a serious moment? Can we have a parent moment here? The glitter glue slime did not work.
So it's Cap.
We can say it's Cap all we want, but I think it's just Dad not being able to make slime. I don't know.
Yeah, that's very bad.
I thought I'd made slime before, but
Yes,
You have it and it turned out bad.
What do you mean? It turned out good for me.
okay, guys.
We're gonna make fluffy.
Emmett gets to choose the next one, slime.
Okay. Well, which one's the normal one?
That's the normal one.
I don't care exactly. The normal one.
That's the fluffy slime.
Oh yes, I'm spreading this in, boys.
Make the last one work.
So here we go. Is this something I'm doing wrong? I don't know. You guys, like, tell me. Tell me in the comments. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Hold on.
He's bad at slime.
Okay, and we're gonna do half a tablespoon, and we need.
Oh, I got it on my hand.
Don't mind Emmett. He's just eating the chicken nugget on the screen here. Chicken nugget.
Oh look! Oh look! Hey, let's pour that in. I'll pour
I
it.
think it was the glue.
Yeah, I'll put that in.
Because now it's falling apart.
Listen, man, it didn't work. Okay, so next is their choice of food coloring.
Food coloring.
Food coloring.
Green and blue. Green and blue. Green and blue.
So maybe not green and blue.
Remember last time?
Do I remember last? Oh yeah, yeah.
It
teal.
made a pretty color.
Okay, so we're gonna go.
Can I
Yeah. 2 drops.
Yeah, 2 drops, Dad.
I didn't put 4 drops in the slime.
Yes, you did.
Okay, couple drops, Emmett.
put one? Wait, 2?
Get it in the water though. Yeah, just put it right in the middle of. There's nothing there. There's 2 there. You're
Oh,
good.
that was
You're good.
That was 2.
Can I start?
Oh, that is so pretty.
That is pretty, guys. That's like lime green. I'm gonna go get the
So here, I just want to show you guys what we got working here. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh my god. That looks not good.
Can you see that?
No, it looks too good.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think
so-
I saw that.
So we got it. We need to add the glue. Now, I just watched a video and I didn't realize this, but that's 3/4 of a cup, a whole container of white glue. Did you know that?
What about clear, you guys?
Let me know if you get it.
No, clear glue is horrible.
Stop leaning.
No, it's not horrible.
No, clear glue is.
Stop covering the shot and stop eating.
I love nuggies though.
Yeah, just pour it all in. Oh, that's a pretty color.
Oh yeah. Can I start?
Can't really go wrong with baking soda, I feel, after what just happened, so
Yes, you can.
we're just gonna stop peanut gallery. Okay, now you got to stir last time. Let's see what Emma can do. Here you
You
go,
don't
Emma.
really need to
Stir
stir. You just need
last
to
time.
fold it
You
in.
stir last time.
Fold it in. Stir in baking soda to glue by folding. It doesn't say.
Can I do this?
No,
You
hold
don't
on.
really need to stir fast.
No,
you
if
don't
you
need
thought-
to do any
Stir
of
in
that.
the colored contact solution. We didn't do that. We missed a step. You see, I didn't read that part. Well,
No.
here's hoping. Okay. All right.
Ollie! What did I do? You can't get me. No, I didn't.
Okay, so we got something
That's pretty.
like slime. That's cool.
And I wouldn't mess with
That's
it.
really cool. Now, fold in the shaving cream. We need 2 cups of this bad boy. Now,
I wanna.
proceed.
Yes.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
It's a big giant glob. That's the only one getting a massive hands. Oh, it feels so soft.
It feels like slime. Yeah, everybody, it feels like slime.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does.
Okay, so there's 1 cup.
I think we're already getting messy, guys. Yeah.
This is messy. Smells good though.
I just want to
Yeah,
warm my
just-
hands in there.
Okay, we got 2 cups of shaving cream.
No,
My
this
hand
one-
feels, it actually feels pretty nice to squish around. Now we gotta try and fold this in.
Yeah, it's trying to be tricky.
Gotta
I'm
fold
gonna go
this
wash
in.
my hands. I just rub it in. I just rub it in my skin.
Now you fold it in, or do you just mix it with your hand?
Oh, why don't you just rub it?
Sarah, what do you say?
Fold it. Do whatever you want to do.
Yeah,
Do it
let's
with
see
your
what this
hands.
does. Let's see what this does. Okay,
Do it
let's see
with
what
your
this does.
hands, Dad.
All right, let's see what this does.
No, no, no. Can I do it? Can I do it?
Contact solution takes all
Can
that.
I do it?
That's what went wrong.
Let me, can I do it? Let me do it. Oh, come on. I want to do it too.
Oh, that's so cool! Oh, that's cool.
That's sick.
That's
Guys.
cool.
I mean, you're just playing around.
That's what you're supposed to do with it.
That's yours. We're playing with slime, Aubrey, and you're just doing exactly what you're supposed to do with that. Oh, guys, okay, this is pretty cool.
Yo, I can't get out my fingers now.
Hey, do we have an example of the glitter glue? Were you able to save that?
Nope. We should have got it by itself.
Exactly.
What do you mean?
Glitter to put in the glue, not glitter glue.
I think it just.
I think the
got-
contact solution deteriorated it.
Oh, it made the glue go bye-bye.
Yeah, it made the glue pretty
Okay,
much liquid.
honestly, this is probably my favorite slime I've ever made.
And my hands are stuck.
What does it say if it's too sticky to do what?
What?
On your papers?
on your
The
shirt,
slime.
Dad.
Knead with your hands and mix really well. Okay, so put it all in the bowl and then let me work on it for a
I
bit.
can't.
How do I get
I
it?
can't. My hands are stuck to it.
Yeah. Dad, it's attaching to your hair.
Okay, hold on. Okay, all right. Give me all this stuff.
I can't.
Try to go wash your hands. You might be stuck in there forever.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. We're all stuck together. What is this slime hell we've created?
What did I create? Into.
Oh! Come on, man.
Oh, wait.
Oh no. Oh no, I just
I
wanted
think one of your sheets says to add more contacts.
I added a little bit, and it's so the stuff that has it is doing really well. The stuff that doesn't, because these guys are all
Stuck.
in on it.
Yeah, now my hands are stuck, guys.
Look. Here, put your hand in that now.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hold on, Obs. Hold on, Obs. No. Okay. Let Emmett work on it. Let Emmett work on it. Okay. All he's gonna do is knead this out, and there's no need to panic. Like I feel like I should be
It
doing.
feels like gloves, guys.
Feels like gloves.
It feels like oh no.
I almost died. No injuries.
Yo, this
No one was injured during the filming of this event.
Mom, is this continue? We give you.
There's two more beside that.
We got a container, boy. I'm gonna bring this.
No more.
We got Prime, boy. We got
I
Prime.
don't even know who made up this one.
And I have to edit that out.
Huh? Okay. Well, the good thing is we can reuse at least that bowl, and the other good thing is
Hold on. I want to play.
gotta let Ari play with it for a second. 'Cause
I mean, she loves slime. She's never had it for in a while.
okay, that's pretty cool, guys.
Watch. Ready? I'm going to make it into this and then.
Oh, cool. Okay, so
Wash your hands now.
guys,
No.
out of 10,
That's on your cheek.
hey, kids, out of 10, what do you rate the fluffy slime?
10 out of 12.
10 out of 12. That is not what I asked.
100 out of 100.
100 out of 100.
I'm
This was
12 out of
definitely my favorite.
Yeah, it's the best my dad ever made.
Can you mix? Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna see if clear glue works.
You were
It might be Cap. The glitter glue did not work out.
I'm gonna pull blue.
And okay, let's see. Okay, so it says in a mixing bowl, add the glue.
That looks sick.
Oh, did we?
Now, does anyone here think we should add a little bit of color?
Oh, we're gonna
Yes!
make it purple.
Now, I think if we are going to do a color, it has to be very, very, very faint. So I mean 1 drop each.
Eat.
It doesn't go in the bowl, guys. You don't read instructions right.
Yo, it looks
But
like
that's what we did last time.
Yeah, that's not what you're supposed to do. You said I didn't read the instructions properly.
Mom, do we do 2 drops each?
Color and contact solution go together.
Right.
2 drops.
Two drops
I need this
or
one cleaned.
2 drops or 1?
2 drops
Okay.
or 1?
So for this one, I think because we're doing clear, the food coloring should be very, very, very minimal. So,
So
1
one.
drop each.
Okay, there.
So I'm gonna do it right on it.
And we're going to do.
So I was,
Oh, that's so cool.
that looks so. Yo, wait, how will we pour it?
Are you sure?
How are we gonna pour it? How are we gonna pour it, guys? Do you know how
Whoa,
we're gonna?
whoa, 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 whoa!
That was you. Color doesn't make.
Purple?
It's like That's a cool color.
That's a cool color, guys. That's cool.
I don't think it's fake though.
No, but I like this color too.
Let's see how this works out.
It's not blue.
Because I don't think it's as clean as they want. But you never, ever
No.
know.
Ding.
Stir in the baking soda
I
to the glue.
got it. I got it.
And this kid's got it.
Yeah.
1
I got it.
teaspoon
I got it, guys.
of the baking of the soda.
Start time. Stop.
Stir it in.
Start. My favorite.
What's he waiting for?
My favorite part.
Yeah, fold it in because it's, yeah, you got to just do it nice.
Nice and slow. No. Wait.
Okay, and now that that's been stirred,
Can I? And more glue. Bit more. Bit more.
okay, I'll refinish stirring.
Bit more. That's good. Blue purple is after.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Is this fact or cap? Ready?
Oh,
It's purple. That's cool.
Oh, that looks really cool. I hope that stays. Let's see.
I hope that stays.
Plastic. That's cool. But that's clear purple.
Oh,
No.
that's just.
Maybe we should add one more drop.
Hey, God.
Hey guys, that slime looks sick.
Lead with your hands, less with the spoon.
More with the hands. Get your hands up, guys.
You gotta use that love.
Okay, here we go.
Use it.
Getting right into it.
No, can I?
Nope, nope, nope.
No. One person only. No, that's.
So just a bit more activator until we get the perfect consistency and it's not sticking all over your hands. Because I'm starting to become some bit of a slime master. That's cool. I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like this slime better.
Hold on, we need a bit more of this stuff.
Yo, you think that would fit like this?
Did you remember baking soda?
We did.
Yo, I'm gonna try to make
No.
Yeah, put that down.
Can I play with the sun?
Not yet.
I'm already playing with it. Putting that inside. I'm already playing with it, Dad.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm putting it inside.
Oh, it's so cool because it has like sparks. Hold on, stop playing with it. Don't you see the sparks?
Oh yeah.
Dad, don't you see the sparks?
It's cool. It looks like, no, stop. It's not ready.
And I got you. It's over there.
It, reminds me of the old Nintendo 64. That was shiny, clear purple.
I'm gonna go to my phone Zoom. I'm gonna go to my phone's. I'm gonna go to my friend's babysitter, and just go like, I have 2 slime.
I have 2 pit slams.
Who wants to play with it? I'll bring that purple on me.
Are you
know what we
talking
need?
about Jay? No, not Jay's.
The one that's 1 block away.
Actually,
That one I'm gonna bring.
I am stuck as a duck in the muck.
can I play with it?
I look at
Hold on.
you guys. This is not what you think I'm doing. This is not what you think I'm doing.
No, Emmett.
I put it on the
So,
What's wrong with it?
you know, it's going to take a while, and you're going to keep adding a bit of this stuff. You're going to keep kneading, and if it's still sticky to you, like crazy like that, you're just going to add a bit more solution, and you're just going to keep working it in.
That looks like, you know what you use for
Till-
the and stuff?
Until it's not sticky, because it should not be sticking to you.
Or it could be sticky, like sticky slime.
Yo, I had you go.
Like sticky slime. Ha ha ha. Woo! Oh, ow, ow, oh no.
Oh, you're getting hair.
If it gets in your hair, you pull it out.
Don't pull my hair!
Rip
Don't
it out.
pull my hair. Whoa, whoa. Oh no, oh no, no.
Guys, it's on the paper.
If you say,
So I think that's okay. What do you think?
if you say, we're gonna go.
It's not as see-through as what we wanted because, you know, we use see-through glue.
Can I now play with it?
Put this in. I think that's gonna be perfect.
Okay, so, Aubrey, here, play this for a second.
Okay.
Play this for a second. Here. I think it's still sticky. I think it needs
Activator.
a bit more activator.
Nope, it's perfect. See?
Oh, so Aubrey's probably made slime a lot more than any of us here.
Yeah.
What?
Because
So-
it's harder.
She probably knows how to knead it properly.
My dad is not good. Guys, I don't think
This time we're just gonna do white glue.
And no. Wait, guys, I think we should do green.
Green and yellow. What color do you guys think green and yellow is gonna make?
Blue? It's a blue
What,
type.
what do you think?
Blue type.
You know what? I think we should do yellow and red. So quickly, right now, down in the comments, what do you think yellow and red are gonna make? Let's just do this. We're gonna do 2 drops yellow and 1 drop red, and just see what that makes. Are you making cuckoo noises at me? Am I cuckoo?
Can I pull out?
Yeah, our mixologist is gonna do this here. Do you want to rinse that out real quick, Emmett?
Yeah, I got you.
He's got us.
I got you, cut.
And while we're waiting on that, I'm going to just do the baking soda.
Dude, I did wash dishes, guys.
He does wash dishes.
Where's the sponge?
Nope, it just needs a bit of water, kiddo.
I'm trying to do that.
Dad, it's not good. It doesn't stretch that well.
Guys, what do you think it's gonna be a pretty color?
I basically don't think you can see it. Did I say her or him?
Okay, bring me over.
He hasn't done it yet.
Oh, can you help me? My hands are like wet. 1.
Okay, 1.
I think put
So-
2 in it.
So 2
Yeah, I got
yellow
2, yeah.
and 1 red. That's okay. Let's see what it makes. Bring it over this
I
way,
think it's
guys.
gonna make nothing.
They think it's gonna make nothing. Kind of looks like Iron Man in a tin.
I think it's gonna make orange because I just saw it. Please turn into a cute. Wait, can we put more yellow in it?
No.
More
No, it's-
yellow.
Guys,
Okay. Okay, here we go. I got my.
I put mine on the ground.
So I can show you how strong.
All right, the solution's in. Let's start mixing a little bit.
It looks like orange, guys.
Stop.
I'll be not lying.
Oh, it's already hardening up.
Guys, now I know how to
It's
play
actually
with
a
my
pretty
sister's
color.
line. I can just play with this line because it's like more than my sister's.
I think I like that one better because of how cute the orange is.
No, I'll wait. I get these 2. You get that one.
No.
How it works, because you like.
Okay,
No.
that's good.
Yo!
Let's get right in there with our hands.
Two.
I need to play with that, boys.
No,
Boys,
you
I
don't.
I need to play with that.
Stop acting like that, please.
Okay.
I got you too.
Here we go. What do we got? It's like a pastel.
It's a peach.
It is.
It's a peach.
Peaches, peaches.
Did somebody out there guess peach
Peaches,
at this
peaches.
point? I know everybody kind of thinks yellow and red makes orange, but
Today it makes peach.
it always varies. right? It depends on. I knew we'd get a different color if we put 2 yellow in compared to 1 red. I mean, it's a really nice color. Hey, I'm stuck again. This has happened every time tonight.
Yeah, don't.
But the important thing is to not panic and just keep kneading. Yo, you're so needy.
No, I don't think I'm so needy. I'm so trash, I think. Well, I'm actually good. Teddy bear! I'm a good man.
Okay, so we have the stuff. Let's stretch it out because that's what Aubrey was doing. This one just is sticky as sticky.
Sticky as sticky.
just
What
keeps-
is that? Sticky as sticky. What does that mean, Dad?
As sticky as sticky.
Sticky as sticky.
Okay,
That was. Let me put it. Can I feel it?
okay, and then it goes to the slime tester. Aubrey.
I don't think my dad's a slime tester. I think.
Okay. All right. So after we played with them for a bit, Aubrey, which one do you think is the most fun? The fluffy slime. Emmett, which one do you think is the most fun?
I never played with them.
We'll be right back.
About that, buddy.
I actually prefer the fluffy slime myself. I just thought it was really fun to play with.
I thought this is the best.
Do you like? So Emmett likes the
So I'm keeping the slime.
jello-ish,
Let me.
semi see-through, purple dyed slime.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Let me play with that.
Thank you all for watching tonight. We had a lot of fun playing with slime. We hope this has helped you with your adventure in the slime world. Kids, what do you say?
Thanks for watching.
Emmett?
Please subscribe.
If you like our content, comment. We'd love to hear from you guys. Anything you guys want to see us try, like our videos, subscribe. That's always fun, and share.
And make sure to follow us on Instagram. Bye.